Assalamu alaikum students. Hope you all are fine. In last lecture we learned about map, its uses and types of map. Now we learn about elements of the map. The map has basic elements. Through these elements you can read and understand the map better. These 5 elements include the title, key, direction, grid lines and a scale. Our first element is title. The title of a map is one of its vital features. It is the keyword that grabs the reader's attention. The title gives information about the map theme. The title should provide an answer to their what, where, when. Second element of the map is key. A map key or legend is included with a map to unlock it. It gives you the information needed for the map to make sense. Maps often use symbols or colors to represent things, and the map key explains what they mean. Third element of map is direction. Direction is shown on a map by using a compass rose. The compass rose shows the directions of the map so that map readers can relate those directions to the real world. You can see a compass rose in picture and its direction on top and at the bottom south, on the right hand east and on the left hand west. Fourth element of map is grid. Not all maps use a grid, but it really helps in finding location. Grids are common in an atlas and road maps. A grid represents a series of horizontal and vertical lines running across the map, and it helps the map reader find a particular location by following the numbers and the letters in the grid. Our fifth element of map is scale. Scale is very important element of a map. It shows the distance between the two places. Scale can be indicated in a variety of ways on a map, in verbal, numeric, or graphic forms. Okay, dear students, I hope you understood all the topics very well. Now complete your question number 3 and question number 4. Question number 3. How do we show directions on a map? Question number 4. How can we find a place on a map? I am sure you fulfill the given task. Thank you.